The invalid SIM error on your T-Mobile device means your phone can't recognize the SIM card, which is the subscriber identity module that allows your phone to connect to the T-Mobile network. This error can occur with both physical SIM cards and eSIMs, which are digital SIMs. In this section, we'll explore what causes this error and how you can get reconnected. Several factors can trigger the invalid SIM error on T-Mobile devices. These causes can be divided into issues specific to physical SIM cards and those that affect both physical and eSIM configurations. For physical SIM cards, common causes include physical damage such as scratches or corrosion on the metal contacts, improper insertion where the card isn't fully seated in the slot, or general wear and tear from repeated use. For both physical SIMs and eSIMs, the error can occur due to network registration failures, where the device struggles to connect to T-Mobile's towers, software conflicts from outdated firmware or incompatible apps, problems during eSIM transitions when switching from physical to digital SIMs, or even a blacklisted IMEI, which prevents the device from being recognized on the network. Before diving into more complex solutions, try these quick fixes. First, power cycle your device. Turn it off completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. If you're using a physical SIM, reinsert it carefully. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off to force your phone to reconnect to the network. These simple steps resolve a surprising number of cases. T-Mobile offers a handy diagnostic app that can help resolve SIM issues. Open the app and look for troubleshooting or support options. The app can often force a network re-registration or remotely reset SIM validation. This app-based solution is a quick way to attempt a fix without contacting customer support. If the basic troubleshooting and the app don't work, it's time to contact T-Mobile support. They can further diagnose the problem and potentially perform a SIM swap, replacing your SIM card, which is usually free. T-Mobile's customer support has integrated AI-driven diagnostics, resolving many cases within 24 hours. T-Mobile is increasingly adopting eSIM technology, which embeds the SIM card directly into your device, reducing physical SIM-related problems like damage or loss. eSIMs are digital SIMs built into the device hardware, unlike traditional physical cards that need to be inserted. This technology is becoming standard in modern smartphones. The shift to eSIMs offers several benefits, including easier activation, the ability to switch carriers without new hardware, and support for dual SIM functionality. However, eSIMs can introduce new challenges, such as delays in authentication during network congestion or issues with digital provisioning that weren't present with physical cards. Despite these challenges, T-Mobile's investments in improving its eSIM platform are effectively reducing invalid SIM errors. The future points to cloud-based SIM management, minimizing hardware failures entirely. To minimize the chances of encountering this error, ensure your device's firmware and carrier apps are always up to date. Enable auto updates in your device settings. Staying current with the latest software helps prevent compatibility issues that can lead to SIM errors. Consider using eSIM for new activations to avoid physical card problems. Looking ahead, traditional SIM errors are on the path to near elimination. With T-Mobile's shift to eSIM technology, physical SIM issues have dropped significantly, from 25 million reports in 2024 to 15 million in 2025. By 2030, experts predict these errors will account for less than 5% of support tickets as the carrier phases out physical SIMs entirely. T-Mobile is harnessing AI and machine learning for predictive analytics, preempting errors based on user behavior. This has reduced average resolution time from 48 hours in 2024 to under 12 hours in 2026, with 85% of cases resolved within 24 hours through AI diagnostics. The move toward cloud-based SIM management ensures seamless connectivity. Over 90% of T-Mobile's ecosystem is expected to rely on this by 2028, minimizing hardware failures through embedded SIMs and satellite-backed authentication. This software-driven approach creates more reliable connections. However, cybersecurity remains a challenge with eSIMs. A 20% increase in SIM-related fraud attempts was noted in 2025, prompting investments in quantum-resistant encryption. Despite this, the overall trend is toward more user-friendly and dependable connectivity.